Hello students, welcome to Your Pedia Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi and I am again here to share one important notification, and that is about some recruitment. Okay, and I always feel very happy when I share such recruitment notifications with you. Okay, because it brings some smile on the faces of many of our dear students, right? So what is this about? Let us discuss. This is from Haryana Power Utilities, HPUs. Okay, there are different bodies under HPU. So Haryana Power Utilities, HPU, like Haryana Vidyut Prasar Nigam Limited, okay, Haryana Power Generation Corporation Limited, HPGCL, Uttar Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam Limited, Dakshin Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam Limited. Okay, so very many organizations are there under this Haryana Power Utilities HPU title. Okay, so they are going to recruit assistant engineers in electrical, mechanical and civil. Okay, three branches: electrical, mechanical and civil branches, right, on the basis of GATE 2022 score as well as some socio-economic criteria and experience. Okay, so here we have two criteria. One is GATE 2022. Okay, 21 not eligible, 20 not eligible, 23 not required. Okay, 22 is the only criteria, one criteria, and another one is some socio-economic criteria which they have mentioned in this PDF also. Okay, by that is mentioned by Haryana government actually, right? So you must have a valid GATE score of 2022, right, in three branches: electrical and civil and mechanical, three branches. Okay, three GATE papers, right? Now let us see some other important points related to this. So we can see name of the post is assistant engineer electrical cadre, electrical discipline. 88 posts are there. Okay, and eligibility criteria is 60% marks for general category and 55% marks for SC category of Haryana domicile. Okay, so this is the criteria, eligibility criteria, and OBC also 60% marks required in electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering. Two BTech branches are eligible. One is electrical, second one is EEE, electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, or full-time master of engineering degree or equivalent degree from a university. Okay, with minimum 60% marks in respect of general category and 55% for other SC category of Haryana domicile in these branches, electrical or electrical and electronics engineering, right? And one important thing is that in Haryana you must have passed Hindi or Sanskrit up to metric standard or in higher education. Okay, so you must have studied these subjects, Hindi or Sanskrit, right? And this is criteria in all the three branches. Now we have mechanical discipline, that is also in electrical cadre. 41 posts are there, and BTech branch eligible is mechanical engineering, GATE paper in mechanical engineering, and pay scale you can see here. Okay, and you can also find this PDF whenever you will apply for this post. You must read this PDF carefully, okay, so that you don't make any mistake in form filling. Now here also Sanskrit Hindi is required, right? Now assistant engineer civil cadre in civil discipline, 14 posts are there. Okay, and same now BTech in civil engineering is required, and GATE paper in civil engineering is required on the basis of 2022 score, right? Now here you can see in different departments of this HPU, and according to different categories, number of vacancies are mentioned here, right? Like you can see HVPNL, so in general category 11 seats are there. Okay, and in other categories we can see number of seats mentioned, so you can check according to your category. And similarly in mechanical we have, similarly in civil engineering we have mentioned number of vacancies in under different categories, right? Now for PWD also there are some concessions, some relaxations, some reservations. You can read this. For ex-servicemen also there are some options. Now main thing is age limit. So the age limit for the post of assistant engineer is from 20 to 42 years. Okay, for general category it is up to 42 years. For other categories there is some relaxation. Okay, so according to different categories they have given the age relaxation also. Okay, in some category age limit of 57 years is also eligible, right? You can read according to different cases. So what case is your, you can check your age limit also, right? Now what is the selection process? So in selection process, 80 marks will be given according to GATE score and 20 marks will be given according to socio-economic criteria, and you can read the socio-economic criteria. There are different cases, okay, in which you may get some marks, like if you don't have any family member working as in government employee in Haryana government, okay, then there will be some marks, right? And for other categories also, for widow also, okay, for students whose father died before some age, okay, so different cases are there. You can go through these cases and you can count number of marks available in this socio-economic criteria, right? And there is no interview mentioned here. Amount of fee you can see 500 for general category male candidates, okay, and for female candidates of all states 125 only. For male candidates of SC, BCA, BCB 125. For all persons with disability it is nil, no charges, right? Now you have to apply. Application process will start from 23rd of December, okay, important thing is 23rd December, it will go up to 23rd January, okay, 2023. So before 23rd January 2023, you have to apply for this job. If you want to join this job, you must apply, okay. So these are the some important points. Now you can go to the websites here mentioned here, okay, for applying www.hvpn.org and other also, okay. So in all these departments, all these organizations, you will get information regarding this notification, okay. So I wish all the best for all of you. Please apply in this job. All the best.